Hello, everyone. My name is Jake Stringfellow. For my final project, I implemented a Skybox using Cubemaps. I promise that this is not a solar system project. However, I did want to show some normally rendered objects for scale and visual reference. And given most of these textures are based on the sky or space, I felt they were appropriate for this project. These cube maps are basically six different images put together and displayed on the inside of a cube surrounding the camera and rendered objects. You'll notice the skybox doesn't move when the user translates, but it does move with the camera's rotations. I have six different textures to showcase today. Pressing any of the keys between 0 and 5 will render a different texture to the screen. As you can see, the skybox effectively renders an image in all directions from our position in the world, no matter where we move. Some cube maps are better suited to be skyboxes than others. This is an example of one I would not recommend using, giving its obvious seams and corners, along with its unnatural orientations. This texture makes it clear that the user is in a box as opposed to immersed in an open world. One feature of skyboxes that I particularly enjoy is that they are relatively simple, yet completely transform a scene unlike anything I've seen in OpenGL so far. Part of this is obviously due to the scale of the images since they take up the entire screen, but for me it's really the illusion of depth where there is none. This cube can take the form of a star system, an ocean, or a cloudy sky without changing shape at all. A key detail I found interesting is that the illusion of depth is achieved by giving the skybox a value of 1 for the Z depth test, the maximum depth value. So no matter where the camera's position goes, the skybox will be behind it in every object in the frame. This is why no matter how much I translate, I never get any closer to the edges of my skybox. So there you have it. This is my implementation of skyboxes using cube maps in OpenGL. Thank you.